made up a video here, just a generalization of the installation of the triple gauge pillar mount in the MIATA. I didn't film while I was putting it together. I didn't film while I was carving the edges of the pillar mount, which needed to be formed in order to fit right. It was a universal triple, just an eBay item, triple gauge pillar mount. Said it would fit a MIATA, but of course there's a lot of carving and cutting and trimming to get it to fit. It really looked pretty good when I was done, but you have to put some effort into it and use a little creativity as you would for any universal mount. And here's a little video of just a generalization of what I used and how I put it together, and I hope it helps.